This video shows some of the processes for how the components used in the switch are manufactured. Concept of the idea has to be transformed from the original thought in the designer's head to actual parts and components that make the vehicle work. We're looking at a computerized machine that cuts the metal to be used in the switch frame. The operator programs this machine with a computer, and it cuts the metal tubing with a laser. Some pieces are cut and sized by hand and not by machines. Here we see a technician preparing some pieces that go into the switch frame by cutting them and sizing them together by hand. Some of this video is from the R&D stage of building the switch and designing its parts. Sometimes pieces need to be adjusted. We change a design a little bit, or a piece doesn't fit quite the way we need it. Those pieces need to be either remanufactured or slightly altered so that they'll fit to make those design changes. We can bend steel and put new pieces into the chassis of the vehicle in our shop to make some of these adjustments as we go through the manufacturing process. When you're designing something new, you can't always buy a part off the shelf. Sometimes you just have to manufacture it. Here we're manufacturing a joint for the suspension and the swing arm to meet our design specifications. And then when we're finished, we put all the pieces into a brace to fit them together that come into the shape of the final form of the chassis for the switch. The electronics of the vehicle also have to be designed for proper operation for purpose of how the vehicle is going to be used. And this includes electronics and switches and interaction between parts, safety features, how the vehicle's charged, the size of the motor, the size of the controller to control the circuitry in the system. So all these considerations go together to manufacture the vehicle to perform the way we need it to work safely and efficiently.